Unit 11, page 110, exercise 4.
I didn't really like learning science at school. I thought it was boring. But then we got a new chemistry teacher, Mr. John, and that changed everything. He was amazing. He really put the fun into science. He looked like a crazy scientist with thick glasses, a white coat, and dark black hair that stuck out in all directions. We never knew what was going to happen. Almost every lesson he did these crazy experiments, which usually went wrong. He'd pour the wrong solution into the test tube, and the classroom would fill with smoke, and we'd all be laughing and coughing. Other teachers never let us use the science lab equipment, but Mr. John would let us do the experiments ourselves. It was great to play with the equipment and try things, but he was always there to help us. One day really stands out in my memory. He told us he was going to try something new and made us all put goggles on. He mixed these two solutions together and it started hissing and bubbling. There was no smoke, but the smell was terrible. I thought I was going to be sick. But what was really funny was that there was a knock on the laboratory door, and the head teacher was standing there. She was looking very angry and asked to have a word with Mr. John. Apparently the smell had drifted all around the school. We could still smell it at lunchtime. Mr. John was giggling like a small child. To start with, I thought he wasn't a very good scientist, that he didn't know what he was doing. But soon I realised he was good at his job and he was making the mistakes on purpose. He was trying to make science fun and memorable for bored teenagers. I'm not sure it worked, though. Yes, it was fun. It was our favourite lesson. We all looked forward to it, but I don't remember much about what the chemicals were in those tubes. I remember the bangs and the hisses and all that, but not the important stuff. Actually, now that I think about it, I failed my chemistry exam. Mind you, I still think he had the right idea. That's definitely the right way to teach science.